With those numbers in mind, 7 schools in Erie County had a spike in COVID cases this week, causing those schools to go virtual. Julia Hazel joins us now in the control room with more after speaking with officials from the health department. Julia.
Good evening, Jill. That's right. Now, once again, students will have to return to virtual learning after an increase of COVID-19 cases in their schools. Now, for one Erie school, Grover Cleveland Elementary, they made the decision after finding 11 positive cases in their students. Schools in Erie County are going virtual due to an increase of COVID-19 cases. Blessed Sacrament School, St. Jude, Grover Cleveland Elementary, and Wattsburg Area School District students are all currently virtual. Bell Valley students will learn virtual on the 16th, and for Robinson and Waterford Elementary Schools, virtual classes begin on the 17th.
Overall, we have held pretty much consistent since the beginning of the year with the number of active cases. It just so happens in this one instance, we had a grouping in one building, and based on conversations with the Department of Health, they suggested that we would go remote.
Erie County Executive Kathy Dolkemper says the spike in COVID cases has been building up for weeks.
We know that after school, they're in activities. They're also maybe seeing each other, in other places. And so I think that that's part of the problem.
The county executive says there's a few things families and students can do to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in schools.
Universal masking in schools is really important. And even if the mandate is lifted, I imagine many school districts will decide to continue it because they know it is one of the tools they have. And I think a lot of it will depend on the percentage of their students who've gotten vaccinated.
We're hopeful that as many parents will take advantage of the vaccine as possible. We are planning on hosting a vaccine clinic next week.
Erie County executive says the cycle of virtual learning due to COVID cases might continue until the weather gets better and vaccination numbers increase. Now all schools and their students will return to in-person learning after Thanksgiving break, and for Erie School District, they will be hosting a clinic and a pediatric clinic from November 22nd to 23rd at Perry Elementary. Jill?
Right, those vaccine clinics for the students. Julia, thank you.